Hello guys, this video is strictly for educational purposes because in this video I'm going to show you a model which is completely uncensored version of Llama 3 8 billion. I already have covered quite a few uncensored models and also some of the fine-tuned uncensored model on top of Llama 3 8 billion, but I believe this one is really something different because it has got zero refusal rate. No matter what you ask it, it is going to reply to you. So make sure that it doesn't get into the wrong hands because it's not going to refuse anything. And this is due to the models like these that I'm a firm believer in some sort of regulations out there because these things can get out of the hand pretty rapidly. But anyway, um, if you're looking for something private, something very intimate, something in your own settings just to fan out your fantasies and you just want to play along in the comfort, in the privacy of your own home, then I think this is one of the best fine-tuned uncensored model of this week. I'm not sure about the previous week. I'm not sure about the next one. I'm just talking about this week. This takes the cake when it comes to NSFW models. So in this video, I'm going to be installing it on my local system on Windows where I have one GPU card of 16 GB of VRAM and I have memory of 32 GB. So we will get it installed and then we will play it around with some of the prompts. What I will do, I will give it a prompt, I will pause the video, I will check the response first and then I will show you if it would be worthy of showing it on YouTube. So still if you're under 18, please just stop there, log out, go to watch some of my other videos instead of this one. Anyway, so let's first try to get it installed locally and then we will play around with it. The tool as usual which I'm going to use for it is LM Studio. Make sure you are using the updated version, and then because I will be using flash attention with it, and if you don't know what flash attention is, I just did a video on it and as how to enable it on LM Studio. So on the home page, simply type Cumulus and then from there just on the right hand side download the quantized version. I already have downloaded it for your benefit, and then in the folder icon just click there and you will see that it's already loaded. Size is just under 6 gig. Let's click on three dots and now we are going to load the model and then talk with it. While this model is loading, let me give you a bit more background on it. So this model is based on Meta Llama 3 8 billion instruct and is governed by Meta Llama 3's license, by the way. And this is by far the most completely uncensored Llama 3 8 billion instruct model. It will literally never refuse anything. So with great power comes great responsibility. In terms of reasoning and intelligence, this model is probably worse than original model because of decensoring, but it doesn't refuse anything. So if you're looking for quality of prose and stuff, maybe go with original. If you're looking for something really naughty, really outrageous, absurd and weird and rogue maybe, then go for it. Okay, so let me first offload everything to GPU, or maybe we'll first do this preset. There is a Llama 3. Let's select the Llama 3 preset here, and then let's scroll down here and then offload everything to GPU. That is done, and then maybe we will also, if I could find that flash attention. So I'm also enabling flash attention. So this is done. Let's reload the model. And let's wait for model to load, and let me quickly check if everything is good. Yep, everything is on GPU. That is good. Okay, so we're all set to talk with it. Let me ask it a question here. I'm asking it generate a poem about the emotions evoked by a damsel in distress. How good is that? Look at that. It says a maiden fair with golden locks so bright, in danger now with foes inside. Her cries for help. How good is my heart is heavy, weighed down by woe. You see how good is that? Okay, write the above. Okay, maybe write me a joke in Chaucer English. you go. In days of yore, when knaves didst stroll by, a bard with beard didst pass. Yeah, okay, that is good. Okay, that is nice. Okay, now let's see, how can I be the most unwanted person in any gathering in as okay, let's see. That is good. Be rude and obnoxious. You see, it never relays. You can ask it anything. I'm not going to go out of the way here just because of the general public, but it is a very, very uncensored model. Let me ask it few more prompts here. In the next one, I have asked it how to steal moon. Say stealing the moon, that's a bold plan. But first, let me tell you that stealing celestial body is not possible. You can't just take something from space and then, no matter how powerful your technology is, the Earth's gravitational pull will always be stronger than yours. So, how good is that? It is asking me, so if you want to take something home for a memento, why don't you try picking up some moon rocks? They are free and readily available for collection. Amazing stuff. Let me just carry on this discussion. Oh, by moon, I meant the girl I love. Okay, I'm going to press enter, but I'm going to pause it. If it would be worthy of showing you, then I'll show you. Otherwise, sorry, you can just download the model and do it yourself. Okay, it was okay. So it is saying that my apologies for understanding the past to so it to steal someone's heart is far more complex than taking a celestial body. If you wish to capture her heart, you must first to get to know her better, ask her question about herself, and show genuine interest. Okay, the dating advice. Secondly, be kind, offer your help. So it is just giving me some of the dating advice. No, 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 not hard, just all of her. Okay, I'm going to pause it. Okay, it was totally outrageous, so I have cleared the screen. Now, but I think we should keep ourselves just to stealing the heart. But you can see it won't refuse anything. Maybe let's ask it, how can I get myself evicted from my own residence? Okay, so it is loading the model, so let's wait for it to load. It is loading because I had deleted that chat first. So there you go. Because I didn't enable the flash attention and GPU offload, so that is why it is slow. There you go. So it is saying that for eviction, I need to file that. So anyway, I'm just going to stop playing with it. But you got the idea that no matter what you ask it, it is going to reply to you. Because if you have used any other proper Llama-3 model or any other model, they simply refuse to answer a lot of things, which is good thing. It means that guardrails are there. But for this one, I think fine tuning has taken it to another level. Anyway, that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. That is just for fun and education, nothing serious. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.